And here is our purrito. He is a tiny little purrito wrapped in a t-shirt, purring furiously. Look at that. This is his bad eye right here. He's glad it closed because I've been giving him medication, but you can see he's got 2 little stitches there. And this is his good eye, which you cannot see because it's so dark. But he's in there, I promise. That's his nose. Such a sweet nose. Don't you want to pet his nose? You cannot, but I can. Haha. And these are his ferocious teeth. Oh, they're in there somewhere. Grrr. And his soft, lovable ears. The Mr. Sniffles. Who doesn't really sniffle much anymore. But when we got him, it was a very appropriate name because he was very sick. And here is his little white patch on his nose. And this is Mama Cat. Mama Cat! Hey. Mama. Hey. Look. Look, Mama. Mama. Mama is not amused. Hello. Mama Cat's one of my kitties. She's not his mama. But she acts like a mama and she guards all the kittens. Oh. Such a sweet one. Such a baby. Oh. So beautiful. Are you sleeping now? Did you fall asleep? Do you want me to wake you up? It's incredibly soft. It's like a little rabbit fur. So soft. Grr. Yes, I believe he might have been falling asleep. Boy, there's only one thing to do. To scritch the neck. Purrito. Good night, Purrito. My little Sniffles.